It's whey protein, so it's based on, yeah, so that I've noticed does not give me any soreness. Because I train so hard, if I include any kind of plant foods, I start feeling the soreness from my workouts. And so yeah, this one, no. Anything that's plant-based, you want to completely eliminate.
It won't have the amino acid complex you need, right?
Exactly. Not in the good ratios to one another, and most definitely not very well absorbed as compared to animal-based proteins. So that's why I like it. That's why I like the Premier Protein, is because it is mainly animal-based. It's, again, it's not the healthiest thing. Those things have emulsifiers in them that can mess with your gut integrity. So never look at those things as great long-term options. You don't want to rely on those long-term, but if we're doing a transitional period, then yes, that would be fantastic.
I've just started taking this, which is based on egg instead of whey.
Macros are perfect. The
24
macros are
protein.
great. Yeah, I love it. 24 grams of protein, almost just 3 grams of carb. Let's see. Egg protein. Okay. And then cocoa, natural, non-GMO, what non-GMO sunflower. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty clean compared to the stuff on the market. That's the go. I like that. As long as you don't have an egg sensitivity, then it's good.
And then I've been taking this for a couple of years, Bub's Naturals
I love
collagen.
I think so.
Bulletproof, is that a pretty good brand?
Yes, I love all Bulletproof products are all generally a good product. It's definitely one of the better things that you can put in your body. What I wouldn't do is the plant-based ones, the no cow, I believe they're plant-based. I would stay away from plant-based stuff.
Annotated and summarized. Easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points.